Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to present an easy and quick way to prepare mango milkshake. Here is the process. I have taken a mango, cut into pieces in cubes. Now I have taken the mango cubes and put them in a blending jar. Added some milk, a few ice cubes and sugar. Blend it properly and then pour into a glass. Now mango milkshake is ready to serve. Thanks for watching. If you have any queries or suggestions, please leave them in comment section.